Can't go big on Betty. Can't go big on Betty.
Big on big. Big on big. Big on big.
Forgotten.
How you go? Blessing the squad. When you know the bag is large. Where were you when times were hard? It's pitiful. How you go big when we extra large? Full car garage, 2 bad bras. I don't flex or flaws. I'm a rock star with no guitar. Lambo avatar, sipping on some tar. I'm living above the bar. Wrist on froze, wrist on froze. Solo hoe, been my hoe. Red Lambo, Piccolo. Diamond dripping on me, decolloded. You going too big, you talking about money, you bother me. I own all my cars, jewelry, and I got property. I got some property. Put in these houses and business, I'm paying monopoly. Hey, you do not talk to me. You don't do nothing, you obsolete.
If we the biggest shit poppin', wrist water, no faucet. Bando to a mansion, you having condo status. Can't go big and bragging, having real big passion. Ever since I was a little boy, yeah, I'm having honcho status. Can't compare to this, I'm taking all the risks. Know how to solve a problem, know how to sell a brick. You might be popping them bottles, I'm popping them bottles and models. You might be round American, my whips is foreign the throttles. You tryna go big on big, stop it. I put a big hole in your pocket. They say they round around the city, bro. Yeah, cause they tryna keep her with control. Eyes closed, whipping it blindfold. She get on that boat, get bipolar. 6 cell phones and I ain't social. Still going big, clap like Magnolia.
Wrist on froze, wrist on froze. Solo hoe, been my hoe. Red Lambo, Piccolo. Diamond dripping on me, decolloded. You going too big, you talking about money, you bother me. I own all my cars, jewelry, and I got property. I got some property. Put in these houses and business, I'm paying monopoly. Hey, you do not talk to me. You don't do nothing, you obsolete. How you go big on big? How you gon' say it gon' dress? How you gon' want out the sale? How you gon' do what I did? Nigga don't know how I feel. How you gon' say you was real? Nigga lying say he have an axe here, but we both know they ain't real. Nigga lying about $250,000, he ain't touch it, don't know how I feel. Nigga talking about the independent, talking running through 60 the deal. Nigga walking around with 30s on them, but they know they ain't ready to kill. All my niggas having kick it bad, back I'm sealed, they ready to sell. Eminem in the mail, I done took a lot of L's. Heard you niggas really shell. Going big, well, pulling out B12, picking up a plate of Gales.
Can't go big on big.
Wrist on froze, wrist on froze. Solo hoe, been my hoe. Red Lambo, Piccolo. Diamond dripping on me, decolloded. You going too big, you talking about money, you bother me. I own all my cars, jewelry, and I got property. I got some property. Put in these houses and business, I'm paying monopoly. Hey, you do not talk to me. You don't do nothing, you obsolete.
Forgotten.